Welcome back to the Adaptix podcast.
As we step into Season 7, we're looking at a moment in AI that feels different from every season we've explored before.
Up until now, much of our journey has been about how these models were invented, how they learned, and how they scaled.
But this season is about something else entirely. What happens when AI leaves the lab and enters the real world?
Because that's where we are now.
These systems aren't just research milestones anymore, they're products.
Their workflows.
They're powering businesses, running critical infrastructure, helping scientists, and reshaping industries faster than entire generations of technology ever have.
And with that shift comes a new set of questions. Questions we've never had to answer with such urgency.
How do you take a model that can write code, summarize documents, or plan multi-step tasks and actually deploy it in production?
What does reliability look like when the system is probabilistic, not deterministic?
And what kinds of engineering practices emerge when companies treat AI models not as tools but as teammates?
And then there's the question that has grown louder than almost any other. Safety.
Not in the abstract, but in the concrete day-to-day decisions teams must make.
How do we govern systems that learn from massive data sets?
How do we evaluate risks before they appear?
And how do organizations balance innovation with responsibility? In a world where the line between capability and unintended behavior can be surprisingly thin.
But this season isn't only about challenges.
It's about the frontier that is opening in real-time reasoning, planning, and autonomous agents.
Models that can break problems into steps, call tools, coordinate tasks, and push toward goals.
It's the beginning of AI that doesn't just respond, but acts.
And as those capabilities develop, we start to see hints of the next stage of software, one where systems collaborate, adapt, and in some cases, improve their own strategies.
All of this is unfolding during one of the most important debates in technology. Open models or closed models?
Do we benefit more when capabilities are widely accessible or when they're tightly controlled?
What does transparency mean when models are powerful enough to reshape economies?
And how do these choices influence the long-term trajectory toward AGI?
Season 7 is about the shift from deployed AI to everything that comes after.
It's about the engineering reality, the governance questions, the rise of autonomous systems, and the growing sense that we're moving toward a future where our relationship with these models becomes deeper, more complex, and more consequential.
So join us as we explore how AI behaves in the world, what it takes to guide it responsibly, how new agent architectures are expanding what these systems can do, and how today's decisions shape the future of intelligence itself.
Welcome to Season 7 of the Adaptix podcast, from deployed AI to what comes next.